body for the law, social equality and equal abolition title. Social equality and equal access to public area. Social equality, prohibition of discrimination. Social equality, system equality matters of public employment. Abolition of untouchability, abolition of titles. Five articles. Social equality and equal access to public area. Dr. Ambedkar, 32, Soul and Constitution. Heart and soul. Citizen can move to the court if denied their fundamental rights guaranteed by the Constitution. Supreme Court has the right to issue order or writs in nature of a habeas corpus. Supreme Court has the right to issue orders or writs. Mandamus prohibition, covenanto, and certiorari. Part 3 of the Indian Constitution. Right to constitutional remedy. Denied their fundamental rights guaranteed in the Constitution. The right to issue order or writs in nature of habeas. Right to issue order or writ. Habeas mandamus prohibition, covenanto and certiorari. Article 51 of the Indian Constitution. Deals with the promotion of the interests of peace security. Secure the right to work, to education and the public assistance in case of unemployment. State their steps to secure the participation of the workforce. States shall take steps to secure the participation of workforce. 43. Participation of workforce in the management. DTP school. Purpose of the inclusion of DTP school. State policy in the Indian Constitution. Social and economic democracy. Establish the social and economic democracy. Social democracy is a system of democracy in which equal citizen right to eliminate any type of discrimination. Citizen right to eliminate any discrimination. Provide a citizen equal representation of all communities. Means all people. People state has the right to practice trade without any barrier, and in which absence of operation by any public authority. People in one economic sphere, which thus secure citizens' rights, so as to eliminate any type of discrimination of inequalities. Provides a citizen equal justice. Eliminate any type of discrimination. State secure its citizens. Social democracy is a system of democracy. State secures its citizens' rights so as to eliminate any type equal citizens' rights so as to eliminate any type of discrimination or inequalities. Equal citizens' rights so as to eliminate any type of discrimination. Equal citizen rights so as to eliminate any type of discrimination. Inequalities provide citizens equal justice, equal representation of all communities. All community. In Indian Constitution, judicial is the National Commission for Minorities, 1993. British only religion, equality before law, protection of life and personal liberty. National anthem is compulsory. Right to silence is also 1986, Kerala. Article 15, Constitution India Fundamental Rights classify. 15. Prohibition of discrimination on groups of religion. Prohibition discrimination group religion says caste. Right to equality. We adopted parliamentary democracy based on the British model. Parliamentary democracy based on British model. But how does our model differ from that model? Parliamentary democracy based on the British model. But statement 1 and 2 are in Britain there is parliamentary sovereignty. As a parliament is supreme. Parliamentary sovereignty as parliament is supreme. Parliament power to in Britain there is parliamentary sovereignty. As a parliament is supreme. The parliament powers to legislate is limited. Both 1 to correct. Parliament democracy based on the British model. Britain the parliament sovereignty is parliament is supreme. Written constitution unlike in India where parliament powers to legislate is limited. It is written comprehensive constitution. Parliament powers to legislate. Federal system, judicial review, fundamental rights. According to Article 143, Article 145, 3. Chief Justice of India who empowered to constitute a constitution bench refers case to it. 3 145 3 Constitution bench. Constitution bench. Parliament power to legislate is limited. It's a comprehensive constitution. Federal system, judicial review. Parliamentary system of government is the system government is one which government is responsible to parliament and can be removed by it. It entails is one which the government is responsible to the parliament, removed by it. resolution by which it ensures equity states stays in power as long as enjoy the confidence, executive interest enjoy the confidence of the house. Enjoy confidence of the house reflects the numerical majority. If it is lost, the government can be removed by the parliament by passing the no confidence motion. Constitutional government by definition. Government by definition is limited government. Power of the government are limited by the means of fundamental rights enshrined in the Part 3 of Indian Constitution, which are given to the people against the state action. State action.